Time-Traveling Backpack. A short moral story. Leo, a curious 10-year-old, loved collecting old gadgets. One day, he found a dusty backpack in his grandfather's attic. It looked normal until he opened it. A soft glow filled the room. "Whoa! What is this?" Leo whispered, reaching inside. Suddenly, swoosh! He was pulled inside. When Leo landed, he gasped. Dinosaurs roamed around him. He had traveled to the past. A giant T-Rex stomped closer. Leo's heart pounded. He quickly reached into the backpack and, swoosh, he vanished again. Now, he stood in a futuristic city with flying cars and robot assistants. A kind robot greeted him, "Welcome to the year 3024. Excited, Leo explored but soon felt homesick. "I want to go back." Reaching into the backpack one last time, swoosh, he was back in his attic, safe and sound. Leo hugged the backpack. "The past and future are amazing, but the present is where I belong." From that day on, he appreciated every moment, knowing that each day is an adventure. Moral: enjoy the present, every moment is special. Thank you for watching.